This is an entry-level DevOps engineer job at Macquarie Group in Sydney, Australia, which works on hybrid model. In order to give you a bit more background on Macquarie Group, it is quite a well-respected, well-reputed financial organization in Australia and also present globally, which has operations at many places. In order to be successful in this role, you have to be a good DevOps conceptual person who should be looking to progress and evolve more in DevOps arena. The skill set is a bit different than the regular DevOps things, but not that different. If you have experience with DevOps, with continuous integration tools such as Jira, Bitbucket, Bamboo, or if you know about them, that should be good enough. So your concepts should be clear in terms of CI/CD, Agile Development Lifecycle, Scrum, and also the incident and change management. As long as you have that, plus some basic concepts around SQL queries, interacting with databases, and then a bit of cloud concepts, um, that should be more than enough, I guess. Now, if you already have worked in any of the DevOps role before, that is like icing on the cake, and if it is in the financial industry, I think your chances are very good. But how you can know that? Go to Macquarie Group's website, apply directly from there, and then see what happens. Thanks.